How are you doing today?
I'm doing well, thank you. Just enjoying the beautiful weather outside today.
What's new with you lately?
Not much, just busy with work and trying to stay organized and productive.
How have you been since we last spoke?
I've been good, keeping busy with projects and enjoying my hobbies in the evenings.
What have you been up to recently?
I've been focusing on my fitness routine and reading some interesting new books lately.
How's your day going so far?
My day is going well. I've accomplished a lot and had a nice breakfast.
How was your weekend?
My weekend was great. I spent time with family and tried a new restaurant nearby.
What are your plans for today?
I plan to finish some work tasks and relax with a good movie tonight.
How do you feel about the upcoming holiday?
I'm really excited about the upcoming holiday. I love spending time with friends and family.
What's the best part of your week so far?
The best part of my week has been catching up with an old friend over coffee.
How's everything going with your family?
Everything is going well with my family. We had a lovely get-together last weekend.
How do you usually celebrate your birthday?
I usually celebrate my birthday with a small gathering of friends and a delicious cake.
What are you looking forward to this month?
I'm looking forward to a short vacation at the beach later this month for some relaxation.
How was your day at work today?
I'm looking forward to a short vacation at the beach later this month for some relaxation.
What do you enjoy doing in your spare time?
In my spare time, I enjoy painting, reading, and going for long walks in nature.
How do you usually unwind after a long day?
I usually unwind by taking a warm bath and watching my favorite shows on TV.
What's something exciting happening in your life right now?
I'm excited about starting a new project that I've been planning for quite some time now.
How do you feel about the weather today?
I feel great about the weather today. It's sunny and warm, perfect for outdoor activities.
What's your favorite way to greet someone?
My favorite way to greet someone is with a warm smile and a friendly hello.
How do you stay motivated during busy times?
I stay motivated by setting clear goals and reminding myself of the reasons behind my tasks.
What kind of activities do you enjoy on weekends?
On weekends, I enjoy hiking, visiting local markets, and spending quality time with friends.
How do you handle stress when it arises?
I handle stress by practicing mindfulness, deep breathing, and taking short breaks throughout the day.
How's your week been treating you so far?
My week has been treating me well. I've been productive and managed to stay organized.
What's your favorite season and why?
My favorite season is autumn because I love the changing colors of the leaves and cooler weather.
How do you celebrate small victories in your life?
I celebrate small victories by treating myself to something special like a nice meal or dessert.
What's the best way to start your day?
The best way to start my day is with a healthy breakfast and a few minutes of stretching.
How do you keep in touch with friends who live far away?
I keep in touch with long-distance friends through video calls, messaging, and sending occasional letters.
What's something you're passionate about?
I'm passionate about environmental conservation and love volunteering for local cleanup events to help our planet.
How do you usually spend your evenings after work?
I usually spend my evenings cooking dinner, relaxing with a book, or watching a movie.
What's your favorite way to connect with new people?
My favorite way to connect with new people is through shared interests, such as attending community events or workshops.
How do you feel about trying new foods?
I love trying new foods. Exploring different cuisines is one of my favorite ways to experience culture.
How do you maintain a healthy work-life balance?
I maintain a healthy work-life balance by setting boundaries, prioritizing self-care, and making time for family.
What's your favorite way to express creativity?
My favorite way to express creativity is through writing stories and poetry that reflect my thoughts and feelings.
How do you usually prepare for a busy week ahead?
I usually prepare for a busy week by planning my schedule, creating to-do lists, and organizing my workspace.
I usually prepare for a busy week by planning my schedule, creating to-do lists, and organizing my workspace.
My favorite childhood memory is spending summers at my grandparents' house where we would play games together.
How do you usually stay active and fit?
I stay active by going for runs, attending fitness classes, and hiking on weekends with friends.
How do you celebrate holidays with your family?
I celebrate holidays with my family by gathering for festive meals, exchanging gifts, and creating lasting memories together.
What's been a highlight of your year so far?
A highlight of my year has been traveling to a new country and experiencing its culture firsthand.
How do you usually treat yourself after a long week?
I treat myself after a long week by indulging in a spa day at home with candles and relaxation.
How do you feel about your current job?
I feel good about my current job because it challenges me and allows me to grow professionally.
What's something you wish you could do more often?
I wish I could spend more time traveling to new places and experiencing different cultures around the world.
How do you make time for self-care in your life?
I make time for self-care by scheduling regular breaks, engaging in hobbies, and practicing mindfulness daily.
How do you usually respond to compliments?
I usually respond to compliments with gratitude and a smile, appreciating the kind words from others.
How do you feel when you help others in need?
I feel fulfilled and happy when I help others in need, as it brings a sense of purpose to my life.
What's your favorite way to cheer someone up?
My favorite way to cheer someone up is by making them laugh with jokes and sharing positive stories.
How do you keep your mind sharp and engaged?
I keep my mind sharp by reading books, solving puzzles, and learning new skills through online courses.
How do you feel about the importance of friendships in life?
I believe friendships are incredibly important as they provide support, joy, and a sense of belonging in our lives.
How do you usually show appreciation to those around you?
I show appreciation by expressing my gratitude verbally, writing thank you notes, and doing thoughtful gestures for others.
How do you stay open to new experiences and opportunities?
I stay open to new experiences by embracing change, being curious, and willing to step outside my comfort zone.
How do you feel when you achieve a personal goal?
I feel a great sense of accomplishment and pride when I achieve a personal goal after working hard for it.
How do you usually reflect on your day before going to bed?
I usually reflect on my day by journaling my thoughts and feelings, helping me process my experiences and emotions.